this beautiful garden. Let's explore. Kitty, look! A butterfly. It's tickling my nose. Catch it, Kitty. You missed. Hello, little bunny. Hop, hop. Aw, you're so cute. Meow. Bunny, would you like a carrot? Hop. We share with our friends. Meow. Come on, Kitty. Let's cross the bridge. Meow. Slowly, step by step. Splash. Meow. Oh, you splashed me. Are you looking for your mommy? Tweet, tweet. Don't worry, we'll help you. Meow. Look! Your mommy is here. Tweet, tweet. Yay! Meow. Whoa! This strawberry is huge. Meow. Push, Kitty. Kitty? Where are you? Peekaboo. You scared me. Time for a little picnic. One for me and one for Kitty. Meow. Sharing is fun. Dance with me, Kitty. Meow. Spin, spin, spin. The garden is sleepy now. Let's go home, Kitty. Bye-bye, Bunny. Bye-bye, Birdie. Bye-bye, butterflies. Meow. We'll come back tomorrow. We had so much fun today, Kitty. Meow. Best garden adventure ever!